everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey. And let me ask you one thing. Are you also looking for a luxurious property with lifetime sea view? Then I have got the perfect property for you. Presenting to you Aryan and Chamunda infrastructure located in Shivri, codename Aqua Bay. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location on the main road. Right behind me is the actual construction tower. Have a look at it. And then right here is the main road. This road leads you directly to the highway. Also have a look at the neighborhood. In this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 0.53 acres with standalone towers. Ground plus first level is going to be your commercial, second to fourth level is going to be your podium parking, fifth level is going to be your amenities, and then plus 16 story of towers. Talking about configuration, this project has 3 configuration, 1, 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about connectivity, this project is located near Shivri railway station with Atal Setu at a distance of 1.6 km, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 1.8 km and Tata Hospital at a distance of 1.9 km. School, colleges all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities which includes gymnasium, infinity swimming pool, kids play area, banquet hall and many more. If you're planning to buy a home, I have a strong recommendation for you. Housey की Rights of Home Buyer series जरूर देखें. बहुत सारे buyers को अपने actual rights के बारे में पता ही नहीं होता है. जैसे कि अगर आपने एक फ्लैट बुक किया है टोकन अमाउंट देके और आप कैंसिल करना चाहते हैं, तो आप बिल्डर आपसे कितने पैसे लीगली डिडक्ट कर सकता है. Also, after possession, अगर लीकेज और कंस्ट्रक्शन रिलेटेड कोई इशू आता है, तो how much liability does the builder hold? A lot of buyers do not know their actual rights, so we have explained everything in very easy to understand and word to word. So before booking your another flat, Housey की Rights to Home Buyer सीरीज जरूर देखें. इस सीरीज का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और आई बटन में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has 3 configuration, 1, 2 and 3 BHK, where 1 BHK has 418 square feet and 2 BHK ranging from 697 square feet to 753 square feet and 3 BHK having 861 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the exact project details. We'll also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. We'll also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for each configuration, 1 BHK is going to be 1 lakh, 2 BHK is going to be 2 lakh and 3 BHK is going to be 3 lakhs. So everyone, this was the teaser of Aryan and Chamunda infrastructure located in Shivri. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing project, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.